Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows build and that you're signed in as an administrator so permission won't block fixes. Once confirmed, open PowerShell as admin and run getapps package name *Windows store * to see if the app is installed or corrupted. This tells you whether to repair or reinstall. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party antivirus and confirm network access to Microsoft endpoints so downloads and registration. Next, attempt the built-in repairs. Go to Apps and Features, choose Microsoft Store and run Repair. If that does nothing, use Reset, which clears app data. If still missing, remove and reinstall. In Elevated PowerShell, remove the package and then add the Store app package or use the latest apps bundle. Once installed, re-register the Store with Add Apps package, register in a PowerShell session with bypassed execution policy, so the app manifests and permissions reattach correctly. Finish by installing all pending Windows updates and rebooting. Often missing system components are restored that way. If the store still doesn't appear in Apps and Features, create a new local administrator account and sign in to confirm whether the original user profile is corrupted. As a key troubleshooting tip, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system components. Then reboot and recheck the store listing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.